Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Sam with DB Spa Repair, and today I'm going to be going over the SmarTouch Digital topside keypad. I'm going to be showing you how to use it by changing the temperature, using the jets and the lights. Now the SmarTouch control system comes in different sizes and variations, but the beauty of this control system is you can use the same methods here on all the other ones. The only difference is the bigger ones have an auxiliary 2 button while the smaller and medium sized ones don't. But that's not to worry. Everything else works the same. The first thing we're going to want to do is change the temperature of your spa. And to do that, you press and hold the temperature up button for a few seconds. Give a nice firm push until the screen starts flashing. Now here, your topside is going to actually display the temperature that you want the spa to be in. So you press the temperature down button or the time button to decrease the temperature, or press the temperature up button to increase the temperature. And then you hit the set button to lock it in place. Then it's going to go back displaying the current temperature of the water. Now we're going to talk about the jet button. So in this particular spa unit, it only has a 1-speed pump. So when you press it once, it'll turn it on. You press again, it'll turn off. But your spa most likely will have a 2-speed pump. And what I mean by that is when you press the jet button, it'll actually turn on low setting on your spa. I'll demonstrate this using another spa equipped with a 2-speed pump 1. So you press the jet button the first time, it'll turn on the low speed. Push it again, it'll turn on the high speed. And push it one more time, it'll turn it off. Next, we're going to look at your auxiliary button. If your spa is equipped with a pump 2 or a blower, you use this button to turn it on, and that's pretty straightforward. You push it once to turn it on, and push it again to turn it off. Then we have your light button. Also, that's pretty straightforward. You push it once to turn it on, and push it again to turn it off. Now, the auxiliary 2 button, that's normally for a spa that's equipped with 3 pumps, or a blower as a third component. And you just press that once to turn it on and push it again to turn it off. It's pretty straightforward. I hope this quick start video helped you better understand the SmarTouch Digital keypad as far as quickly using it so you could go ahead and enjoy your spa. With that said, I'll try to make another video on how to set the time of day, go over on setting up custom filtration cycles, as well as putting the spa in silent mode. So thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to everyone on the next video.